Hey guys, today we're cooking a wild pig on the Traeger grill. We caught this little son of a gun right behind the Southern Boyz Store, fixing to quarter it up and get it on the grill. Woo! All right, y'all, here we go. We're gonna get a little piggy seasoned up and ready for the Traeger. Step one, guys, we're gonna take a little apple juice right here. We're gonna pour it in a pan. This is a pan that we're gonna be smoking in. We got our two back hindquarters. We got our two front shoulders. We got our back straps here, back strap here. We got our two tenderloins, and we got our little neck roast out of the pig. So we're gonna season all this up. We're gonna hit it with some sea salt. We're gonna hit it with some pepper. A little pepper parade. Now we're gonna hit it with the main ingredients right here, the Southern Boyz seasoning. Ooh-wee, look at that. That's gonna give it a little bite right there, y'all. All right, now once we get it seasoned up like that, we're gonna lay it in this pan. Now, y'all, we got the Traeger set on smoke. Let's go get this thing in here in the Traeger. All right, y'all, what we cooking on today is a 780, the Pro 780. And anyway, we got it down on smoke. Ooh, look at that smoke come out of it. And we're gonna get this placed on there like that. And here we go. Hey guys, stay tuned because you want to see the rest of this recipe. I can tell you right now, it just don't get no better than fresh wild pork caught right behind your store. It just don't get no better than that. All right, y'all, here we go with step two. We got 8 ounces of water, got about 16 ounces of apple juice in here. And what we want to do, first step, we want to mix some brown gravy mix in here with the water, or it come up close to be, you can see it. We're gonna put 4 packs of brown gravy mix in a bowl here like this. All right, y'all, we got our brown gravy mixed up there. Now what we want to do, y'all, we're going to add our potatoes to it right here. The little red potatoes got to cut up in bite-sized pieces. We're going to put them in there like that. Now we got our onions. We got our onions, bell pepper, and garlic. We're going to dump that in there like that. We're going to hit it with a little bit of Southern Boyz seasoning like that. A little pepper. You got to watch that pepper to sneak up on you. And we're going to hit it with a little sea salt like that. Now we're going to mix this up. Ooh-wee. All right, guys, now here's step 2 of making a little piglet stew right here. Check that out, guys. We're going to add all this potatoes, onions, and everything to it. Oh, man, don't that look so good? Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Slide this out, hot. Moisture in, seasoning in, shut this Traeger down. Now we're gonna crank her up, guys. We're gonna crank the big 780. We're going to 325 degrees. Boom, just like that. Hey guys, I'm telling you, when this thing hits 205 in the inside of it, I'm telling you right now, it's gonna fall apart. We're looking at maybe 2-3 hours before it's ready to eat, to serve, but I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be some kind of good. All right, guys, this thing here should be done. We're gonna hit the shutdown. Shutting down. Look at this right here, guys. The big reveal right here. We're gonna bring her inside. All right, everybody, here's the big reveal right here. This here's the little piggy. One little piggy. Ooh, look at that. Now this here is a pig stew. There's your potatoes. Look at that. And here's your pig right here. Watch how tender this is, y'all. Look at that bone right there. Look how that bone just lifts up out of there. Hot, hot. Eee. Anyway, how we eat this right here, we're gonna put it on a plate. We're gonna put 2 pieces of bread on a plate. Look at that. Huh? Ooh, man, don't that look good? And then we're just gonna take us a spoon right here. Cut it with a spoon, y'all. Look at that. Cut it with a spoon, on top of a little white bread. Guys, let me tell you something. I see so many hunters out there that throw away the little pigs. They throw them away. They're like, they ain't no good to eat. They shoot them, they let them run off, they don't eat them, they don't have nothing to do with them. But let me tell you something. Them little pigs are the best eating on the hunting club, guys. Don't throw them away. Put them in the Traeger. Put them in a pan like this here. Make you a stew out of them. Because I'm going to tell you something right now. Throw them over some white bread. Look at that. With them bell peppers on there like that. Mmm. Mmm. Get that pig like that. Mmm. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now. Bam. That's good stuff right there, y'all.